All right, this is how I lost 350 on the combine today. Yeah, I took a trade every day this week. I really don't want to say it's over trading because I see my edge, and I know just because you see your edge doesn't mean you need to trade it and take a trade. But they all like fit the narrative on the day. They all fit my bias. They're all coming off of high probable conditions, in my opinion. But yeah, we're back down to all the way to 49,000. Uh, but we ended green on the week, so that's really all that matters, longevity wise, long term. How many profitable weeks can you have? How many, those turn into months, and then those months turn into years. So how many those can you stack? And those that is gonna really um, determine if you are profitable. It's been a while, if not ever, since I ended a week profitable. Dude, I watch my videos and I hate the way I talk and I just can't speak. I don't know if it's just cuz the camera and my words just get I don't know. But I'm going to go over the trade today. These losses, two losses yesterday and today have been, my biggest losses. I've been up in the size just a little bit and I guess the market knows when I once I up my size. See, that's what I'm talking about. My like I have a speech impediment or something. When I up my size, they just go in the opposite way where I think it's gonna go. But let's go on the chart. Sucks because we were actually looking good for a little bit. I took a short today on the 4 hour. We were still bearish on the 1 hour, and both both indexes were bullish on the 1 hour, but bearish on both indices. Jesus Christ, bearish on both indexes on the 4 hour. So higher time frame holds higher power. I have a lot of lines. I'm just gonna delete everything that I didn't don't need. Um, yeah, I marked this high time frame SMT, but that's very high time frame. Uh, yeah, we had news today, pretty high impact. Uh, this and it created this humongous candle right here. Uh, we didn't see anything on the when market open right here. Just we had this placement up, and then these lines we swept out high time frame liquidity. So I mean, when we see that, like, or when I see that, I just feel like it's a high probable chance to catch a move, and our bias is bearish. Why not? But I hate how we had news today. I don't know if I should start waiting for news to drop or what because I mean TJR took a trade before news. This was news candle, and he was already in the trade before. I don't know why he took this trade just based on this frame right here. We had a bearish SMT. Uh, we had this was a inverse fair value gap. If you enter right here, I'm not sure, but yeah, he got in way before the news dropped. I had a feeling news was going to be bearish too, but I don't know. I just always wait for news to drop, and the reason really why because he preaches to wait for news, but maybe it's because maybe he says wait for like high impact, like really really high impact, like CPI days, but those always drop before market even opens. I honestly hate when high impact news drops like at 9, like right like after news or after market opens. Honestly hate it because yeah, situation like this I have to wait where we could catch a whole move but I feel like that's just coping. I just need to take my loss and have my chin up. But okay, so obviously I didn't take anything right here, but we're monitoring. I mean, crazy candle. Like, come on, dude. We swept these lows, but I was looking for a retrace. This was equilibrium from this high to this low because this is in a low. So I marked it out. Came in. We also fill in this 5 minute gap right here, 5 minute imbalance, and I thought it was a good entry, just like yesterday and all my trades today. But the one problem today, I will say, is my execution. It was horrible. We should have really entered off this after we got this bearish reaction out of equilibrium. We really should have entered off that, but we didn't enter until like right here, and then we added a contract, so our average fill was right here at this blue line, which is, yeah, I mean, that's a pretty big difference, because if we enter where we should have, target this internal low from news data lows, we had 2.8, and then I probably would have took partials right here, move stocks at break even. We would have been good on the day, but I was dumb. At this, I think I was like on a different time frame. I'm pretty sure, which sucks so bad. I was just looking at different time frames. But look at this. We actually inverse this 15 minute imbalance when this closed, which is this opened at 9 and closed at 9:15. So where were we at 9:15? We were in the trade during 9:15. And we actually looked pretty good. And then I don't wish this on anybody, bro. Look at this. Look at this price action. And it just consolidates, guess where? Our break even. And then, it wants to start being more volatile to stop us out. So I entered. I think I'm just gonna. I think I'm just gonna remove everything. It's kind of in the way. So we end up entering into two contracts at 19,506. 90506.50 right there. Not a great feel at all compared to where we should have. It was right here, but still, I had stopped pretty steep, and then I would have I put partials right here. Oh my god, I deleted everything. Take profit was based on these high time frame areas of liquidity. Right there. And I had another one. Maybe right here. Or right here. Well, I'm about to see. Take profit one. And then, yeah, we either target this one or this low. But yeah, I would have took partials right here. And yeah, I added another contract once right here. Once we came into this fair value gap, bro. Top Step X need to fix their stuff, bro. When this candle was forming, we didn't hit it. But then I went on TradingView. I don't have it up. I went on TradingView to make sure if we hit it or not, and we literally did. And then it closed, and it ended up actually filling it. But in real time, when this candle was forming, oh my god, candle was forming. We didn't enter this fair value gap. So once I saw we actually did enter the fair value gap, I added one more contract. And yeah, we looked decent. Damn, I actually thought we looked way better than this price action. But yeah, I mean, we look decent at this point, but you don't know how many times I've been through this. I've seen this before, seen this happen to me, and yeah, just chopped. I mean, I don't. I was contemplating just to get out the trade, but that's not good emotionally. I guess I don't know. And then yeah, just stopped this out. Honestly, when we were in here, when I just realized how bad PA was, I just moved stops at these body opens, at these bodies of these highs, at this high, and so that's why we got filled right here. We actually didn't get stopped out right here, surprisingly enough. Um, we didn't get stopped out, and I'm surprised it didn't fill us to get stopped out. But I saw this, I was like, maybe, but nah. Honestly, it was a good entry for longs. Saw this inverse, but we just come in equilibrium for this gap and then get a reaction. And yeah, just we had a good start to the week. Stuff like this happens. I really don't want to seem like I'm over trading because I don't really think I am. I'm gonna look back on this week. I'm gonna look at. I mean, all these videos I've been watching back. Like the day I upload it, I watch it back. Especially my wins. I want to see it like as much as I can. Not as much as the losses, but that's how you learn is from your losses. Um, Not as much from your winners. This sucks, bro. I was supposed to win today, bro. Cardi drop, man. Cardi freaking drop, dude. Uh, Cardi drop, bro. Today was supposed to be a W day, but it could be worse. I could be red on the week, like TJR. I mean, I don't want to put it on blast, but TJR lost like so much money earlier this week, and he has less of a loss this week because of the win he took. But also, I watched like the first minute of this video. He said he was up 34K on this, and then he took another trade on ES, and now he's only up 19. So could be worse, man. I could be red on the week. Like this week, this was bad. But I'm excited for this weekend to study more, and then I'm excited for next week market. I'm coming for you. Just kidding. But I've been talking a lot these past few videos. This videos has been long, but I think I think I am getting better. I think I am. One mistake and something to learn from is I wouldn't even. I'm pretty sure, like 90% sure, I missed this entry point right here because I simply was just on a different time frame, like looking for multiple stuff. Cause bro, this could, and that's like a lot of trades for me. The outcomes have been losses just solely because of execution point and entry point. The whole bias was right, and it just stuff like that happens, and it sucks because we could have capitalized, could have put stops or put partials right here, 1.61. That's a great TP1 risk to reward, and then target these lows that we made from data. And then if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We still end the day green. That's what that's what this day should have been. We still should have got something. We should have got a piece of the pie yesterday. Uh, well, no, yesterday we didn't even reach. Wait, no, was this our take profit? I think this was because obviously it's green. But yeah, I am yapping, Jesus, but I don't care. This is for me. I'm not really posting this for anybody else. Just this is journaling and my how I feel. I'm honestly pissed. Um, I don't want to lose, but there's a difference between like being pissed and doing something and reacting off it, and being pissed and doing something good about it and learning from it, and not letting it get to my head. So now it's 10 o'clock. I have the whole day to do what I need to do, and yeah, it sucks. But womp womp, womp womp. So I'm out of here. 15-minute video. Yeah. Oh my god. Nothing to dwell on. We ended green on the week, baby. Long term. Think long term. Long term. Longevity. Let's go. Goodbye.